Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to learn how to round off the numbers. Round off nearest tens, round off nearest hundred, and round off nearest thousand. So I'm going to tell you the most easiest way how to do this. First of all, you can see the question. This is round off nearest tens. So we need to find out where is the tens place. So this is ones place and this is tens place. So we will underline the tens place. What we need to do, we need to check that to which value, nearest which value we are going to round off. So over here we are going to round off nearest tens. So we just write ones and tens. The first value is ones. On the right hand side, we will start from the right hand side, ones and then tens. Now the value to the very right side of the tens of this number which we have underlined over here, this is I'm going to circle it. This value, if this value is greater than 5, we will round up the number. Round up means we will write 2, 3. This number will be round up. It will become, instead of 4, it will become 5, and all the remaining number will become 0. So we have written this is 2345. Now we have rounded nearest tens, so it is now 2350. The next number, for instance, it is 2074. We are going to round off nearest tens, so ones, tens. So what we are going to do, we are going to underline, because we are going to round off nearest tens, we will underline tens. Now we will circle the number very right side on the tens. This is 4. 4 is less than 5. If the number on the right hand side of the tens will be less than 5, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, any number, we will round down. It means we will not erase this number. We will keep it over here. We will stay over here. We will write 7 over here and it will make the 0. So 2074 will become 2070 when we will round off nearest tens. Next number, for instance, it is 1798. We are going to round off nearest tens, so ones, tens. We will underline this number. Now we will check the number on the right hand side. It is more than 5. 8 is more than 5. So what we need to do, we will round it up. So when we will round it up, this is 9. The next number is 10. But we are not going to write it 10. We just write 8 will become 0. This 9 will become 10. So we will not write 10. We will just write 0 over here and 1 will be carried over here. Because we will not write 2-digit number. We will carry it. So 7 plus 1. We will add this one over here. 7 plus 1 will be 8 and 1. So our answer is 1800. So 1798 is very near to 1800. So 1798, when we will round off nearest tens, it will become 1800. Okay, the next number, for instance, it is, we are going to round off nearest tens, ones, tens. We will underline this, and this number we can see that it is bigger than 5. So we will round up. So it will be 2, 3, 1. 0 will become 1 now. And this will become 0. So 2309 will become 2310. Now this is a little bit tricky. So this is 9999. So we will underline the number at the tens place. We will see the number on the right hand side. It is 9, bigger than 5. So it should be round up. So when we round it up, it will become, this ones will become 0. It will become 10. So we will write 0 over here and 1 will be carried. Now 9 plus 10. Again this is 10. So we will write 0 over here and 1 will be carried again. 9 plus 1 will 10. So 9999. When round off nearest tens, it will become 10,000. Round off nearest hundreds. Now we will write ones, tens and 100. you can see that we are going to round off nearest hundreds. So we will find out the place at the hundred place. So 1, tens and hundred. 7 is the number at the hundred place. Again we will see the number at the right hand side. Very neighboring number on the right hand side is 8. So we will circle 8. Now we will check either this number is bigger than 5 or smaller than 5. If it is 5 or bigger than 5, we will round up. So round up means these two numbers will become zeros, and round up means hundreds place. The number at the hundred place will become one more. So it is 7, it will become 8, and 6 will become as such. So the number will be 6800. So you can see the number was over here 6789. When we are going to round off nearest hundreds, it becomes 6800. 6000 remain the same. 789 will become 800. Now the next one, for instance, we are going to round off nearest hundreds again. Ones, tens, 100. So we will underline this one and circle this one. 6 is greater than 5 again, so we will round up. So over here these two numbers will become 0. The number at the hundred place will round up, so it is 3, it will become 4, and the remaining number will become as such. There will be no change. So the number 54,367 will become 54,400. Instead of 367, it becomes 400. The next, for example, ones, tens, 100. It will be underlined, it will be circled. Now the number 0, 0, it will round up again. 9, 5, 4. So 54,900. It was 54,879. Now it becomes 54,900. Okay, the next number 13,964. Again we will find out the number at the hundred place. It is over here. The number over here is greater than 5, so we will round up. So 0, 0. These two numbers will become 0. 9 will be round up, it will become 10, so we will write 0 over here and 1 will be carried. 3 plus 1 will become 4, and 1 over here we will place a comma. So 13,964 becomes 14,000. Again we will write ones, tens, 100. So this is the number at the hundred place. So we will circle the neighboring number on the right hand side. It is 9, so we will round up. So 9 becomes 10. So it will be 0, 1 carried. 9 plus 1 will be 10. Again it is 0, and when 1 carried, 2 plus 1 becomes 3. So it will be 30,000. So 29,999 will become 30,000. Ones, tens, 100. So this is underlined and the neighboring number is circled. So 0, 0. Number at the hundred place will become 10. So 0, 1 carried. This 9 plus 1 will become 10. 1 carried again, and this will become 10. Now comma after 3 digits, 1, 2, 3. So it will become 100,000. Round of nearest 1,000. So we will find the place. Now it is round of nearest 1,000. We will find out the place nearest place 1,000 place. Place value, what is the number at the 1,000 place? So ones, tens, 100 and 1,000. So this is 1,000 at 4. 4 is at the 1,000 place. So we will check the number on the right hand side, which is 3. So what we need to do, we will write these 3 number zeros The number at the thousand place will not change, it will stay same, because over here 3 is less than 5, so it will remain 4 and it will be 5. So 54,000. This number, ones, tens, hundred and thousand. So this number is at the thousand place. Over here the number on the right hand side is bigger than 5. This will become 5 now, because it will round up. So we will say that 0, 0, 0, 4 will become 5 and 3 will remain the same. Similarly over here, ones, tens, hundred, thousand. So number at the thousand place will be underlined and this will be circled. 0, 0, 0. The underlined digit, then all the numbers on the right hand side of the underlined digit will become 0. 9 will become 10, 0, 1 carat. This 9 will become 10, so it will be over here. So what will be the number? 100,000. Thank you.